Hello guys, in this lecture we're gonna see how to delete all the files in a S3 bucket. So we have all these files in this PT course bucket 3. So now we're gonna write a .NET application which is gonna delete all the files from this S3 bucket. So let's go to the .NET application, and this is the code which is gonna delete all the files. So I'll start in debug mode here. So let's go here, and you have seen like this is the main program, so which we are like following in previous tutorials also. So I will comment out this lines. Okay, so let's start debugging. So now the program is getting started. You can see in the build over here. So delete all files from S3, and this is the line once we start debugging. So here we have S3 client object. So this is the object request we have prepared. So we want to delete from this bucket name as BT course bucket 3. And now we have put a do while loop here to get the objects in the current page as 3 paginates result if there are too many objects. So by default, if the objects are more than 1000, so S3 return 1000 objects in first request and another 1000 object in another request. So that's how it's paginate that. It doesn't return actual object, but it returns the metadata of those objects. So let's see what is the response here. This is the response object we got. There are 23 objects into this, and when we are iterating over these each group, so we are preparing a delete request for each object, and this is the delete response we got. No content. So if HTTP status code is equal to no content, then you can assume like your request is successful, and this will keep on continuing. And you can see like we are printing here successfully deleted. So I will, and you can see all these files have been deleted. So what is the continuation token? Continuance token value is now null. So now the meaning of continuation token value is null is that there are no more objects. So if there are no more objects, then program will finish. Otherwise, it's gonna send another request to S3, get another 1000 objects, iterate over them, and delete over them. So now program is finished. Let's go and see in the console is it or whether all these are deleted or not. So if I will click on the refresh button, I can see there are no object. Thank you. This is all for this lecture.